When I was a teenager, my dad took me to this self-help conference. I really had no idea what I was going to. And the woman who was the keynote speaker looked out over the auditorium and she said to every person in that room, I want you to go to the bathroom at the next break, look at yourself in the mirror and say, I love you. So what did I do? At the next break, I took myself to the bathroom. I looked at myself in the mirror and I couldn't do it. I just wept. I cried. It was really difficult to say I love you. It was that moment that I realized that I didn't love myself very much. It was such an important moment in my life that I actually write about it in my book, Shedding Shame, Finding the Freedom to Live an Authentic Life. I'm Krista Oakes, and each Monday I like to share with you a Mindful Monday, a tip or an inspiration for living a mindful life. This Monday, I'd like to give you the tip of practicing saying I love you to yourself. Take yourself to any mirror in your house, look at yourself in the eyes, and practice saying, I love you. I'm going to do it with you here right now. You simply go up to a mirror, you look at yourself, smile maybe at yourself, and say, I love you. Practice. Say, I love you. I love you. I love you. I am so grateful that I can actually say that to myself now without crying. How about you? Give it a try. Let me know how it goes in the comments. Namaste.